Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Mama Dance, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jen, and today we are going to be doing a DIY room spray and pillow spray. The spray bottle that I'm going to be using is one that I got off of the Grove Collaborative site, so I will link that down below. And the essential oil is from Plant Therapy. I am loving this brand. I really like that they certify their kid-safe products. I filled this bottle probably 3/4 of the way full. It's kind of up to you. I just wanted to leave some room for when I inserted the sprayer. I decided to go with Plant Therapy's blend Relax because it's very nice for when you're getting ready to go to bed. It has lavender, marjoram, patchouli, mandarin, geranium bourbon, and Roman chamomile. I absolutely love the Plant Therapy brand. Definitely check out their website. They have some awesome roll-ons as well that are great to carry in your purse and use throughout the day. Next, you'll just want to shake up the bottle so the essential oils and the water can mix, and you'll be ready to go. Thank you so much for tuning in for this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.